Some of the factors that affect a door replacement in Minnesota here in 2025 is really the features and the designs that you want on that door. Steel plain doors really aren't that expensive, but when you start adding, a fiberglass door, you start adding stained glass into that, you start putting a stain on it, that's when the price can really shoot up on the exterior doors. Now, when you're considering those different things, it's gonna matter where on the home the door is. If it's your front entry door and your front entry is exposed, that's part of your curb appeal. And so you're gonna want to make sure that you're keeping up with the curb appeal by picking a door that that looks good with the other things that are around it, the siding, the other windows on the front. And so you can get into some of the stained glass options and stained doors and those kinds of things that kind of make it pop on the front of the house. But if it's a service door or on the side of the garage or a garage door leading into the house, that's where you want to think more functionally probably than aesthetically, and can get away with a door that performs just as well but doesn't have the curb appeal and in turn the cost that's involved with a front door that you're trying to highlight a certain area.